Hey developers, welcome to Code Dev. My name is Mudassir Makbul and you are watching JavaScript in 1 minute. In today's video, we're going to talk about the at method in JavaScript. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create an array of numbers, and in this array, as you can see, I have 0 at the 0th index and 9 at the 9th index. So each index has the number corresponding to the index. Now in order to access any value at a certain index, we can use the square notation. So numbers 0 will return the 0th index. And now let's console log num. No surprises, we get 0 because the 0th index is 0 itself. Similarly, you can access other indexes by going left to right. So index 3 will return 3, 5 will return the 5th element. Now, what if I want to access the last element or the second last or even the third last element of the array? Now, normally the way you would do it, you will get the length of the array and then use that to access the last element. So numbers.length -1 will return the last element of the array. Well, as expected, at works same as the square notation. But here is the twist. Let's try -1 and you see we get the last element of the array. So if you provide at with positive integer, it will start from left to right. And if you provide it with negative integers, it will start looking for the indexes from the last index. So you see, you no longer need the length of the array. You can simply use the at method and go with a negative integer to get the last element and then keep decrementing to go from right to left as opposed to going from left to right. That was at method in 1 minute. If you want to learn more JavaScript in just 1 minute, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave comments down below. See you in the next one.